In the last month, I've made $10,212 through trading. It didn't happen by luck. It came from a system I've built and tested. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how I did it step by step. Look, when I first started, I was that kid trying to trade on my laptop during class in school. And like most beginners, I was all over the place. I'd see some trader flexing like big wins on Instagram and the social medias, and I tried copying it. And then I just blew my account the next week. I jumped from strategy to strategy. I got emotional. I had no structure. And that's all good in the beginning, because what you're not realizing yet is that every single strategy has both good and bad cycles. Like, just think about it. Some weeks the markets feel super clean, all of your levels are getting respected, entries are pretty straightforward, and everyone's winning. And then the next week, you literally feel like the market is hunting your stops, like it's going right after you, and everyone's losing. And most people just panic and they wipe out all of their losses, maybe months or even years of profits, just because of a bad cycle. But when you actually stick with just one system, you start to see patterns. You learn when the market favors you and when it doesn't. Bro, that's when trading gets real. And that's literally how I managed to make over 10K last month. Not by trading every day. Actually, I only took a couple of setups. The difference is I knew when to push and when to stop pushing. When to risk properly if I had a really confident setup, and when to de-risk. And the only reason I could have known that is because I've been trading the same system, the same pairs, the same confluences, the same model over and over again. That repetition is what lets me recognize when to step back or when to double down. My system is very simple. I trade the same session every single day. I trade the same two pairs, NQ, NDS. I trade the same model, video on that coming out soon. And I follow my rules 100% every single day, no exceptions, especially when it comes to risk management. And that's it. There's no secret sauce. There's no magic indicator. There's literally nothing. I don't know what you guys were expecting me to tell you. It's just the same steps, repeated hundreds and even thousands of times. Like, the power isn't in making it complicated. It's in making it consistent. And people always ask me, why do I not care if I lose or if I win? Why do I show no emotions? The real reason is just I've back tested and forward tested this strategy so many times that I know that in the long run, I am going to be profitable. I've seen so many trades. I know it works long term. So when I lose, I don't freak out. When I win, I don't get cocky. I just execute the system. And the confidence, it's not going to come from mindset tricks of any sort. It comes from proof, from data, repetition, and even hard work. So if you're 16 like me, or 26, 36, whatever you are, the lessons are still going to be the same exact thing. First up, build one simple, systematic, repeatable process. Then just backtest it, forward test it, and collect data. And finally, just execute. That's literally it. I didn't make money because I'm anything special. I did it because I stuck to the system, I trusted the process, and I let the results play out. So now please implement what I've told you. It is your turn to do this stuff. Pick a strategy and just master it. If you want to watch me live trade every single day and review your trades or answer all of your in-depth questions, join the link in the description. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.